Can you guys see my crypto charts? Charts good? Okay. All right, so just like we like to do top down on the global macro markets, the big markets, right? Gold, oil, the dollar. I've just been doing the same kind of thing with, I'm calling it the majors on the crypto side. So you know, the majors are kind of the big ones, bigger market caps. Obviously, Bitcoin is the leader, right? Ethereum and Litecoin. Those to me are kind of the majors. Um, so let's just do a top down. So when we look at the monthly level, I mean, there's no doubt, right? What else do you expect? This has been like the best performing asset on the planet for the last several years. So you expect to see a monthly chart like this. You do have to be aware though that you're pretty extended from the 8, which is why when you saw prices move towards 3,000, I mean, you needed to be taking profits up here. Meanwhile, most of the people are chasing long. So I was buying into this tail, which is the opposite, right? Taking profit here and buying here. So there's still room to pull back. I mean, that's why in some of those other videos we talked about 1,300 maybe, or back here near the 8. This type of pullback's possible. But obviously everything's still bullish. And then we don't have enough data here on this chart for any kind of good cycle. But that's the monthly level. Go down to the weekly. This cycle is a little bit better on the weekly. Pretty good rhythm here actually. So since really we made that last push, Bitcoin's been kind of cycling down. And we'll see if that continues. It kind of looks like it may be ready to turn back up. But here we're on the 8. Sideways consolidation and then another move up. That's definitely possible. So I'm watching this 8 on the weekly level. And then you'll see guys on like the daily chart. If we can't hold these lows, then we're going to probably go back towards the 30 on the weekly. Okay, so here's the daily chart. Cycle's turning back up, so maybe we have a swing time frame move higher again. But the posture is still, this is all bullish. Just continue to make higher lows. So that's our TMS. If you had the bands on here, guys, it would look something like that, I might try to build those in, actually, this week. But we're forming a little bit of a wedge now, which is pretty, that's common to get a pennant formation or a flag, a bull flag. So technically, if we start to kind of turn the corner here, it's going to start to look more bullish. We'll go to the 4-hour. This 4-hour chart's done a great job. So the dashed line down here, guys, is pi. Right, there's our pi line. This was a higher low relative to this low. and then you held pi again. Look at how many holds. 3 holds. It's just beautiful. So if we want to get real technical, you could say, all right, is this wedge breaking out? It's getting closer. I think we start to trade above this high right here. It's going to start to look more bullish now. And then if we can clear this high just in front of 2800, we could go back towards 3000. But I like these higher lows. That's constructive. Now if we take 2400 out, then we have to be a little bit concerned about a move back down here towards these lows again. So this 2400 level is pretty key. If we break that, then we may have to, I may take a little risk off and try to buy more cheaper. We'll see. But definitely still bullish and still long Bitcoin. Kind of sums that one up.